is a Bachmann Class 3 MOD 2144. I've put a driver in it. It's part of the war set 30-130 Bachmann, and these are a successful shunting locomotive, not just for the MOD but for BR in general. They had a top speed of 28.5 miles per hour. They made 230 and 56 have been saved. I'm going to show you this running over insulfrog points, and I hope you enjoy seeing it run. Just a point to make, I did buy the 31368DS, the digital one with sound, and it wouldn't stop, it wouldn't change direction, and it was awful. But we'll test this one, and I think you'll find it's pretty impressive. Thank you for watching. Okay, here we are with this Class 3 doing the sidings test. With a nice slow speed, which I believe you would run it at if you got any sense. My fault, I changed the wrong point there. And these are all Pico insulfrog points, and as you're all aware, this is a very small loco. Let's do that again. Oh, that was just a glitch. And again, just to make sure. No, that's fine. Because as soon as I see a problem with a small loco on a point, it could just be a bit of dirt that was in the way, I will fix it. I don't leave anything on my model railway. There we go. And there you go, you can see that is absolutely superb. Nothing wrong with that, and nothing wrong with my sidings. And don't let anybody tell you that small locos will not run over insulfrog points. You've just seen, I've been honest, I thought I could have had another problem with a point that needed levelling, but I didn't. Just a bit of dirt or dust. Oh dear, I've opened the siding there, silly boy. I think that's 6, 3, 5, 4 is it? There you go. And we take it down. And we're done. Thank you. Okay. Here is a Bachmann Class 3 running over insulfrog points. And you can see I'm running it really slowly. And you can see brain dead, meaning me, figuring out what points do what. I never said I was any good. I mean, don't let anybody tell you that these will not run over insulfrog points. It's absolute bunkum. And you can see what a gorgeous runner this is. And these are all Pico insulfrog. It's a very, very small locomotive. And you can see it runs better than I can change the points. Thank you for watching. Now, as I say, with these small locos, your track has got to be right, which isn't hard to do with a bit of time and effort. And these are all the Pico insulfrog points. This is a really, really small loco with a small wheelbase, and we're not bouncing it round. Okay, here's the dreaded radius 2 sidings test. All Pico insulfrog points. This is probably the smallest loco that's going to go round here. I'm not going to have a problem. The track is dead level. All Pico insulfrog points, all curve points. As I say, there's no problems with small locos if your track is level. It's got to be level, because they don't have suspension, and a slight tilt and the wheels off the track and away you go. And you look at that, it is dead slow. We're not bouncing it, as you can see. It's obviously going to do radius 2 easily because it's got a very small wheelbase. No issues there, and you can see that loco is running as it should, and the track is as it should be. The computer says yes, and so does the loco. Thank you. And here is a panoramic view. Now, this is part of a set, so the model number on this does include these 3 wagons. I do believe it's called military manoeuvres or army manoeuvres. The loco does have cab lights. I have put a driver in it. It didn't come with a driver. but it really is smashing. It runs really nicely. As I say, all Pico insulfrog points. And here's another panoramic view of this little loco. This time it's on the outside track. I think you can just, yes you can just see it going around the back. My track's got to be level because I've got so many points on it that if it wasn't it'd be a nightmare. It'd be like a car with start stop at crossings. And here it's going to go through a streamline points crossover. And you could see it really is a smashing little set. And here's another view for you. I'll turn the lights off even though it's not dark, and hopefully you should just be able to see the cab lights. They are there. Thing is, at slow speed there might not be enough power to light them up. Thank you for watching, and I hope you've enjoyed seeing this little set run. Thank you.